Have you ever stared at a blank slide deck wondering how to turn your messy notes into something presentable, fast? Or maybe you've spent hours fiddling with fonts and layouts, only to end up with another boring PowerPoint. What if I told you there's an AI tool that can transform your rough ideas into polished presentations, documents, or even mini websites in just minutes? Hi, I'm Sarah from Next AI Vault. And in this video, I'll walk you through an AI assistant that's changing the game for content creation. It's called Gamma. So what is Gamma? Gamma is an AI-powered platform that helps you turn simple text prompts, notes, or existing content into interactive and visually engaging presentations, documents, or web pages without needing any design experience. It was built for speed, simplicity, and visual storytelling. You don't need to touch a slide layout or choose a font. Gamma does the heavy lifting, and you focus on the message. Whether you're a busy professional, educator, marketer, or someone just tired of using traditional slide software, Gamma gives you a fresh, modern way to create and share content online. Now let's talk about what makes Gamma actually powerful. First off, AI-powered content generation. You start with a simple prompt or paste in your notes, and Gamma creates a first draft of your presentation or document instantly, complete with layout suggestions, images, and text formatting. The editing interface is built on a unique card-based system. Each section of content becomes a draggable, editable card you can rearrange, style, and customize. It's fast, flexible, and feels a lot more modern than old-school slides. Embeddable media is another highlight. You can easily insert YouTube videos, GIFs, interactive charts, even live apps like Figma, Miro, or Google Docs. It's ideal for teams or creators who want their content to feel alive, not static. Need to tweak the design? Gamma has one-click restyling, modern themes, and font options. And for pro users, you can even upload your custom fonts. It also includes analytics to see how people engage with your shared content, real-time collaboration tools for teams, and responsive design, so your content looks great on any device. And yes, you can export to PDF or PPTX when needed. So where does Gamma really shine? Let's say you're a salesperson. You can whip up a sharp client pitch from a few bullet points in no time. If you're in marketing, Gamma can help draft landing pages or campaign decks with embedded videos and data visualizations. Educators and students create lecture slides, study guides, or class presentations that are more interactive and engaging than PowerPoint ever dreamed of. Startups and entrepreneurs love it for quickly turning raw ideas into investor decks or internal memos. Or maybe you're a content creator who wants to build a simple personal portfolio or visual blog. Gamma makes that possible without touching a line of code. The key benefit here is speed and ease. Gamma handles the structure and formatting so you can focus on the content. If you're someone who frequently needs to create clean, polished presentations, but you're not a designer or don't have time to fiddle with formatting, Gamma is for you. It's perfect for marketers, consultants, teachers, students, startup founders, small business owners, and honestly, anyone looking to save hours on content creation. Gamma offers a free plan, which is actually quite generous. You get 400 AI credits up front and unlimited content creation, though exports come with Gamma branding. If you want more power, like PDF and PowerPoint exports without branding, custom fonts, and extra AI credits, the Pro plan runs about $8 to $10 per user per month, depending on billing. Compared to similar tools, Gamma is on the more affordable side. How does Gamma stack up to others? Compared to Tome, both use AI to create presentations, but Gamma's card-based editing system gives you more control, and it also supports web pages and documents, not just slides. Versus PowerPoint with Copilot, well, that's still a heavyweight, but Gamma is lighter, faster, and doesn't require a Microsoft 365 subscription or $30 per month add-on. Bottom line, Gamma is web-native and built from the ground up for AI-assisted creation. Now, Gamma isn't perfect. The free tier comes with limited AI credits and branding on exports. You do still need to check AI-generated content for accuracy and tone. It's not always spot on. If you want deep control over animations or complex layouts, PowerPoint or Keynote might still be better. Also, because Gamma is web-based, you'll need an internet connection, no offline editing. Here's a quick tip if you're just getting started. Start with a simple sentence like, create a pitch deck for a new AI productivity app targeting remote teams. Gamma will generate a 6 to 8 slide draft, complete with titles, bullet points, and suggested visuals. Then, just click into any card to edit the content, add media, or rearrange sections. Don't like the theme? You can instantly switch styles with one click. Want to embed a YouTube demo or your Figma prototype? Just paste the link. Gamma handles the rest. If you're collaborating, you can leave comments and share a live link, just like Google Docs. To wrap up, Gamma is one of the most exciting AI tools for anyone who wants to create stunning, interactive content fast, without design skills and without friction. It's fast, flexible, and surprisingly fun to use. If that sounds like something you need, I definitely recommend giving it a try. You can sign up for free and see what you can create in just 5 minutes. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe for more deep dives on AI tools every week. I'm Sarah from Next AI Vault. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.